tap into incredible East Coast regional flavors. This is the Maryland style whole chicken, which will blow your mind. Secret Crust chicken.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a night.
What's up you guys, my name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. I have a whole chicken we are making with the secret crust of Maryland. It's an East Coast recipe, delicious recipe you can make at home under 1 hour of your time. Very minimal ingredients for this recipe. This is whole chicken, you can get it from the market. You will need air fryer. Once you get this whole chicken, clean the wingtip and extra sagging fat. If you don't want to do it, you like it, keep it. If you have a cat or a dog, you can give it to them. I'll chop out the neck a little bit. God made fat, which we need, right? Let's clean this chicken. Put the chicken in a bowl. Grab white distilled vinegar. It will rinse off all the bacteria and the bad smell. 7 to 8 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons, I'm doing the rough count. 2 tablespoons of the salt. Dip the whole chicken in water. The chicken is dipping in water. Use your hand, wear some gloves and rub the whole chicken. Do this at least for 5 minutes, I would say. Put it in a strainer and rinse it with fresh water. Leave it in a strainer for a couple minutes so all the water drips down. Our chicken has taken a fresh bath. Paper towel, pat dry out the skin. Let's add this in our marinade bowl. The Maryland style, East Coast style roasted chicken in air fryer recipe includes, this is the main ingredient, Old Bay seasoning. You have to get this for this recipe. It has celery, salt, mustard, bran, paprika and spices, red pepper and black pepper. 3 pounds of the whole chicken, 4 tablespoons on top. Dry rub it completely. Look at this red and orangey marinade. This is all dry rub, God made recipe, minimal effort and delicious flavors. So let me tell you one thing, grab all this seasoning and make sure you put it into the chicken cavity deep inside so it flavors from the inside as well. Try to go under the skin just like that. Just make sure you get in there. Here it is. Delicious Maryland style chicken is completely marinated. It's so easy, right? Maryland style roast chicken marinade. Let's turn on our air fryer. You can put on air crisp or you can put on roast. I'm using roast, says 375. We need 375 and the time max we need 40 minutes, but initially we will cook it for 30 minutes. We will do a temperature check and then we will go forward. So here you go. Let's turn it on. It's on the Maryland style delicious chicken is ready. Our air fryer is ready. It's on the roast 375 for 30 minutes now. Grab your whole delicious, this is the secret crust I was telling you. Put it carefully, in here. This is whole chicken, my friend. It's completely marinated and here you go. We have 30 minutes to go. After 30 minutes, I'll see you with the reality check. Welcome back. This is 30 minutes later. Our delicious Maryland style chicken reality is here. Wow, look at this crust on it. This is what I was talking about. Let's do a temperature check, okay? We will put deep into the breast. Can you listen to the crust? Yes, it's getting there. So if you put all the thermometer all the way deep into the breast, it tells it's ready. Let's check on the leg. So here you go. Go all the way deep into the leg. Yes, it's above 165. If you're cooking your chicken in air fryer, make sure to check it with the temperature. Every chicken is different, every size is different, so go by the temperature. But the basics I have shown you. So here you go. Let's grab this whole beauty. Whoa, look at this juices. It's coming out from here.
No way.
And here is the whole chicken, secret crust chicken. This is whole chicken. Let's grab a slice of butter and we will melt some butter. Add it right here. We will take half slice and we're gonna melt this. We will drizzle that on top.
Let me help you, 'cause I just can't stay here. Stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way. The pressure of the outside feel like taking over.
crispy skin on top in 30 minutes. Woo, look at the juices in the chicken. This is it. The juices, look at the juices and the butter dripping out. Crunchy from the top, juicy all the way from inside. I'm so excited for this taste test. Let's have some butter. If you're serving it to your guests or your clients, have some melted butter with this. And here you go. Oh my god. Delicious. It's flavored all the way deep. Dip in a butter. Pour some more butter. This is the Maryland style bite. So tender. Check the breast, okay? In 30 minutes. It has all the flavors and juicy at the same time. Woo! This is hot. You just need Old Bay and some Irish butter. Look at this. It's full of juices. Make this recipe, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I will see you on the next one. We post new recipes, new content Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video. Butter.